Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutiara Putri Aulia. My student's number is 192122078. I'm going to make the video explanation by following the experiment of all the tips and tricks on Mr. Alam's videos. In this video, I will explain how to optimize using Google search to be maximum effective and efficient. Here are tips and tricks using Google search. Alright, the first, we can use quotes. The second, we can use a hyphen. Next, we can use a colon. And then we can use asterisks. We can use, the search all at once. And then we can use arrange. Next, we can use for look for simple things and look for similar sites. And we can use keywords for search something. And we can use the words by the website. We can use to convert. We can use to looking for a specific file. And we can use search in doing math. All right. Let's look at an example of using quotes in Google search. For example, we will search for communicative language teaching using quotes. Then the search is pure, which is what we are looking for, and the search will be more optimal than not using quotes. The second, we will use a hyphen for exceptions. For example, we looking for Mutiara Putri, but we will exclude the word Putri. So the result will be more precise because it matches what we are looking for. It's only appear Mutiara without Putri. And the next, we use the colon. Use it when you want to search in a certain cycle. For example, looking for the word communicative in the website Ristek Dikti. So we use the colon to find out whether what we are looking for is on the web or not, like such as communicative. The word communicative is on the website Ristek Dikti or not. Next, we use asterisks. For example, we look for words that we forget or don't hear clearly. For example, you falling love. Then the result of the search will show the song or everything related to related to the word that we input or we search. The next, we use the search all at once. For example, we will looking for the best way to teach English or how to learn English. So the result of the search will show both of the best way to teach English or how to learn English. The next, we use arrange. For example, we want to know who won Miss Indonesia at 2004. We can use double dots and 2004. Then the search will specifically look for the year in the 2004 range. The next, we look for simple things. For example, we are looking for the nearest Alfamart. Then the result will show the nearest Alfamart from our location. Next, we use to look for similar sites. For example, by using related. For example, the tick.com. And then we find the similar websites like the tick.com. Next is to use keywords. For example, we use keywords the nearest Korean food restaurant, and then the result of the search will show the Korean food restaurant as the keyword that we input. And the next, we use the words used by the website, because on the website usually the words used are more professional. For example, if you have a stomachache, don't search for stomachache, but look for what you want to know. For example, stomachache medicine. And the result of the search will appear what we want to know. All right, next, we use to convert. For example, we want to know, I'm sorry, in Indonesian rupiah, then the result of the search will appear like this in Indonesian rupiah. Or we can choose what we want to know like this. All right, next. If our spelling incorrect, it doesn't matter, because if we input falling love, then the Google search will display suggestion according to what was found, like this. All right, next. Looking for a specific file. For example, we want to find a research report in a file of in the file type PPT. Then the Google search will show the research report in a file type of PPT, or we can search PDF. Maybe it will appear like this, or anything else. We only have to edit the file type like that. The next and the last thing is use search in doing math. The way it works is the same as a calculator. For example, 24 multiplied with 36 and plus 39 divided by 16, then we have the result. Then it will be easier for us to calculate it. All right, maybe that's all from me about tips and tricks using Google search. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.